Welcome back to Auto Upgrade Nation, your ultimate hub for upgraded rides, performance beasts, and modern legends. And today, we've got an absolute icon reborn, the 2025 Ford Escort RS Cosworth in this jaw-dropping Europe blue color. Buckle up, because this isn't just a comeback, it's a full-blown evolution. Now, for those of you who know the legacy, the original Cosworth was a WRC monster from the 90s, built with rally DNA and street attitude. The 2025 model brings that raw, rally-bred spirit into the modern era with cutting-edge performance, aggressive design, and an interior packed with technology. This is more than a nostalgia trip. This is Ford flexing hard in the hot hatch game again, right up front. This beast comes with a bold and aerodynamic face-aggressively sculpted bumpers, large functional vents, and a wide-mouthed grille that screams airflow and attitude. The RS badging pops hard against that deep Europe blue finish, and yeah, those quad LED matrix headlamps look like they're ready to slice through any storm, day or night, under the hood. This thing is packing serious punch. Ford dropped in a 2.5-liter EcoBoost turbocharged inline-4, tuned to push out a wild 385 horsepower and over 400 pounds FT of torque. That's not just power, it's smart, controlled, rally-inspired chaos. It hooks up to an advanced all-wheel drive system with active torque vectoring, and yeah, it launches like a rocket. 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. And if you're thinking that's sports car territory, you're right. The 6-speed manual is still alive here, delivering pure driving joy. But they also offer a lightning-quick dual-clutch 8-speed auto for those who like their shifts rapid and ruthless. No matter which you pick, the exhaust note is angry, raspy, and addictive pops and crackles on downshifts will have you grinning every time you lift. Let's talk stance. It's wider, it's lower, and sits on 19-inch lightweight forged alloys wrapped in sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. Behind those wheels, high-performance Brembo brakes with ventilated and cross-drilled rotors. This thing stops on a dime and grips like a champ. The active suspension system reads the road in real time and adapts instantly, whether you're corner carving or hitting uneven surfaces. It stays planted and precise, but this isn't just a performance upgrade, it's also packed with modern tech. The cockpit is a beautiful blend of retro cues and digital sharpness. Bucket-style Recaro seats with Alcantara and carbon fiber accents grip you tight, and they're heated, ventilated, and even memory-equipped. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable with RS-specific modes, lap timers, and performance gauges. The center infotainment system runs Ford's SYNC5 with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, real-time telemetry, and even a track mode visualizer. The steering wheel, flat-bottomed, thickly wrapped in leather and Alcantara with blue stitching to match the body. RS drive mode selectors, paddle shifters for the auto variant, and even a launch control button sit perfectly in reach. You feel like you're piloting a rally car every time you grab a dot, and then there's that rear end. The signature whale tail spoiler is back but evolved. It's active now, giving you added downforce when you need it and slipping into Aero Stealth mode on highways. The rear diffuser is fully functional, with dual exhaust tips that look and sound ready for battle. Full LED taillights finish off the look with a futuristic twist on the classic RS DNA, safety and driver assist tech. Ford didn't skimp. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, pre-collision braking, blind spot detection, and even a 360-degree camera system. Whether you're on the track or stuck in traffic, you're covered. Fuel economy? Respectable for this class thanks to cylinder deactivation and a lightweight chassis with high-strength steel and aluminum blend. But let's be real, if you're buying an RS Cosworth, you're not here to save gas. You're here to feel alive. This 2025 Escort RS Cosworth is a love letter to rally heritage, but it's also a modern warrior built to battle the likes of the Golf R, GR, Corolla, and even the AMG A45. It's aggressive, refined, tech-packed, and ridiculously fun to drive. Whether you're upgrading for performance, collecting a future classic, or just want a ride that turns heads everywhere it goes, this RS is the real deal. And in this Europe Blue, it's absolutely unforgettable. So what do you think? Is Ford's rebirth of the Escort RS Cosworth worthy of the legend? Let us know in the comments. Smash that like button, hit subscribe if you're into high performance icons and wild upgrades, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss what's next here on Auto Upgrade Nation. Peace out and keep the rubber burning.